Hello, if you would like to delete your OpenAI account, click Help in the upper right corner. Then scroll down a little bit and you will see a button called Send us a message. Click on that. Then click Account Deletion. You'll get a message that asks you whether you would like to delete your account, and you click Delete my account. Then you will get another message asking you, are you sure? And you click Yes, delete my account. You will get this notification and the deletion process has started. It might take 1 or 2 weeks for it to finish. Thank you and have a nice day.